Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is NAGA AMOS. So I'm coming here with a new reaction video. This is my first time, so I just want to tell you uh, I need approximately 1000 like from you guys. And today I'm coming with the reaction video about the situation that we are facing this time, that is lockdown. So in the family problem, and according to this, they need to go to the school, and well, they purchase for the kids the cell phone. They used to do something not for the good purpose. They use to play PUBG. So I'll just do the reaction video, so you please watch till the end. It will be fun, and he's the father of the family. Okay, he's a farmer. In evening, mostly in the village, they went for the drinking, so they are talking about this, I think so. Wow, now though he said that he will go for drinks. So now he already said that he will go to market and he will have a drink. And what happened next, let's see once again. And right now, the same boy, okay, acting like the whole clip a short story. Where he went back and he said like this. Wow. Yes, that's right. Mostly those who are drinking alcohol, they are doing the same thing, yes. Now he already give how to say, like he already says like he only thinking only for the drinking, not for the family matter. In the family matter, there are lots of burden for the family. Drink and don't drink too much, and try to understand for your family member as well. And those are not drinking, yes, I like it. So let's go to the next. She got already phone for the Android phone for the online class. What you were saying, mate? Playing PUBG for whole day? Starting playing PUBG, yeah? What? Ha. What? Either. Ew. You want this one? Pedang nggak?
Chicken dinner.
What? Yes. What chicken dinner? So this is the problem that we are facing in the family. And I just want to tell you is that they are giving you a good opportunity for you. They love you, they care you. That's the reason they give you, they purchase a cell phone, right? So if you're getting that one, you need to study hard, because the eldest sister asking the phone again for playing PUBG, or I don't know. So now the mother has been refused to give again. Yes, like a madman, they are playing PUBG. All the family the father and mother are not in this 21st century. They are a bit low, so they are not know how to play PUBG. They don't know how to play these things, but asking phone to play, do this TikTok video again, and they are start crying again. See, these things happening again. The eldest sister has been asking a cell phone to use for TikTok again. So and they are, according to this, I'm telling you, like they are asking the phone to use for the TikTok, and the mother has been refused. Yes, I like it, and they need to understand, like, if you use it for the good purpose, not for the bad purpose. Coming again, the father has been asked, after drinking, having nice to drink these things, they are starting again. So after drinking, they are start doing these things again, asking pork, chicken, curry. They are saying that the drinking is. See, this is the problem that happened in the village, because like most of the people, father has need to drink these things, and the mother has been lots of burden for the family. They need to take care to the family, they need to cook food, they need to serve this thing, and the father are having a relax during lockdown. Yeah, matay maray way. Yes, that's right. Don't say about the funny words. Hey, you are lying. Yeah, you are lying. You are lying. You are chasing hard. Patiti. Start sleeping. Mày khúc tóc cơ. See, all the women are doing this thing. Like if the father have drink, they are talking like bra, 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 bra. I already have my wife, so I know about these things. Like they used to speak bra, 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 bra. I had this one. If talking too much, they will getting inside, coming out automatically as soon as possible. After coming out here, they will the thing that they are speaking, they will come out automatically within 2-3 seconds. So I just want to tell you about this, like the mother need to understand to deal to the father, to make understand. This is good. You please subscribe to my channel. I'll be update you a new reaction video, and in the time I'll be giving update you like the view, and I'll be doing the entertainment for everyone. So you please subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Thank you.